Hey guys, welcome back on my YouTube channel. This is a new video for our iOS developers for beginners series. Okay guys, and so let's jump on the Xcode and let's understand the further concepts. Okay, so today we are gonna talk about some outlets. So guys, in the last video uh, we have developed a dummy application in which we have seen there is a label and we have set some text, and we have changed the color of text. We have given some shadows to our text. Okay, so basically this is a label. Okay, so as you can see, there is a view controller, okay, scene, and there is a view controller as a root view controller, and there is a view within this view controller. Okay guys, so this is our root view basically guys. Okay, so view is nothing but it's a rectangular area guys. You can say it's a canvas kind of thing where you gonna draw some other UI elements. Okay, so there is a safe area. So a safe area is nothing but it's a area in which you have to put your content so that the user can see or feel all the contents. Okay, so this is the safe area. You need to place your all the elements within the safe area, make sure it. And this is a label, okay, where you can show some messages, okay, or anything else. Okay, so we will talk more about labels while developing some designings, okay, some UI screens or some any project. Okay, this is our view controller, right? So just we have developed a dummy application in which we are having this UI, okay, and this is the initial view controller. But the problem is what guys, if I want to manipulate this UI using code, okay, means if I want to manipulate this UI by code, then we need to write the code into Swift. Okay, so here how we can write the Swift code. Okay, so for that let's go on the left panel, and as you can see guys, here there are some files, and because this is our view controller, okay, so what I will do, I will create one class that gonna refer this screen. Okay, and on that class I can access all the elements related to this view controller. Okay, so let's create a Swift file. Okay, so right click and go on the new file. Okay, and choose a Cocoa Touch class. Okay, so our all classes which are going to be associated with our UI, those classes should be Cocoa Touch class. Okay, now next. Now guys, here you have to give your your class name. Okay, what will be your class? Let's say this is hello world view controller class. Okay, or you can give the shortcut name as hello world VC. Okay, and it is a subclass of UI view controller. Why guys? Because on our screen the first element is what? UI view controller, right? So that's why. Now guys, you will choose this checkbox when you are creating a file plus a Swift file plus corresponding UI file. Okay, but for right now we are not creating any UI file. Why? Because we have already a UI here. Okay, we have already a UI in the background, as you can see on the storyboard. So guys, I'm not checking it right now, so make sure you uncheck it, and you can select the language from here. Okay, so for right now we are choosing the Swift. Okay guys, now click on the next button. Now it is going to ask where you want to create this file. Okay, in which directory? So my directory is first step. Okay, so our file is gonna keeping under this folder. Okay, so let's create it. Now as you can see, this file has been created, and this hello world VC is the child of UI view controller. I hope clear to you what I'm trying to say here. And now guys, there are some comments. Okay, so these are our comments. So let me remove these comments and these also. So guys, do you know what is the meaning of comments? So guys, if you are coming from another language, then you maybe you already know what is the use of comments. Okay, so for right now let me tell you what is the comments. So guys, comments are non-executable statements, okay, which are just using for readability purpose. So if some other person want to see your code or want to go through your code, then they will be able to understand your code by comments. Okay, so make sure you should have to comments while writing the code, so that some other persons can understand your code. Okay, by the way, there is a class which is going to extend this class. Okay, but yet now we have not linked our UI. Okay, so let me open the UI. This UI is not linked with our this class. Okay, why I'm saying, because if I select this UI, this view controller, and if I go here, then as you can see the class is UI view controller yet now. Okay, but our subclass is what? Hello world VC. So we need to assign this hello world VC to our main story board. Okay, so this view controller basically. So guys, I have assigned this class here. Okay, now that class is representing my this view controller. So whatever the capability of view controller by inheritance, that capability is coming in the hello world VC. Okay, sorry guys, I did a mistake. This okay, so let me correct it. Okay, fine guys, so if I have to make the changes here, then I need to do the same changes from here also, so that the class name should be matched. I hope now it is matched. Now guys, we have a dedicated class here. Okay, so this class gonna associated with our UI here. Okay, now let's understand a function that is already overridden here, that is Viewdidload. Okay, so guys, this is a function. Try to understand what I'm trying to say here guys. This is a function which gonna execute at the time of your view loading. Are you getting my point? If while your UI view controller loading means, in other words, what we can see, whenever our app gonna run and this activity is gonna open, or this view controller is gonna open, then first operation will be what guys? To load all the UI elements, and the root element is what? Our VC. Okay, view controller. Okay, so first of all our view controller gonna load. So this method is called just after your view controller loads. Okay, so Viewdidload gonna call. Okay, and you can write something here. Okay, so don't worry guys, we will see a whole life cycle of a view controller in the next video. We will discuss about it. Okay, and after that we will discuss application life cycle. Okay, so for right now, just I'm gonna show you how the Viewdidload is gonna call. Okay, so guys, this is our initial view controller, and this is the dedicated class. Now let me print something here. Okay, so if I want to print some debug statements, okay, in console, then I need to write the debug print. Okay, and you can pass your statement here, like this is view controllers view did load method. Okay, so this is our statement which gonna print in console while running our application. Okay, so if I run this application, then whenever view controller is gonna load, this Viewdidload method will be called, and it's gonna print this is view controller. Okay, so where you can see the output, you can see the output within console. Okay, so this is our console screen. Here all output will be comes here. Okay, now guys, if you want to show or hide, you can toggle from here. Okay, I hope clear to you what I'm trying to say here. Okay, now let's jump on our simulator and let's see whether our view controller is running or not. Okay, so device is right now opening. Okay, now guys, device is ready to run. Okay guys, so as you can see guys, our view controller is successfully run, and as you can see guys, this statement has been printed. Okay, so while loading our view controller, sorry, after loading of our view controller, this statement gonna execute. Okay, so don't worry about it, we will see again in the next video. Okay, so for right now, this is our UI, and this is the associated class. Okay, which is going to refer our main UI. Okay, Now guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can create the outlets, okay, and what is the meaning of outlets, okay. So for that, so guys, outlets are nothing but these are the reference of your UI elements within your view controller. Why are you getting my point? Means we can create the references of our views, whatever the views has been placed here. Okay, let's say we have a label, so we can create a reference of a label in our view controller here. Okay, we can create here. Okay, so for that, what you will do? Just choose your view controller. Okay, and go here, click on it, and as you can see guys, automatically it's gonna find our dedicated class here. Okay, and in the half of the screen you can see your view controller screen here, and here you can see your class, dedicated class. Okay, fine. Now let's create the outlet here. Okay, so for that, just select your label, press Control, okay, plus the left if you are using a mouse, then click on the left mouse button and just drag and drop here. Okay, so make sure you are dropping within class but outside of the methods. Okay, so just leave it. After right now it is going to ask the reference name. Okay, and as you can see the connection type is outlet. Okay, now there are two options, outlet and outlet connection, outlet collection. So outlet collection basically we use whenever we have multiple elements what we want to refer by only a single reference, then we will use outlet collection. Okay, so for right now I'm using outlet, and okay, so our object is nothing but it's a label. Okay, so hello world VC, in which we are, this is our object where we want to create the reference, and the type is UI label, and the storage will be weak. Okay guys, so make sure it is weak. Why? Because of ARC. So we will see about ARC in the separate video, don't worry about it. Okay, so okay fine. So now give you a reference name. Okay, so let's say we have a label, so I'm gonna give you give the name as label, or you can give a meaningful name, whatever you want. Okay, so for right now I'm giving the hello world label. Okay, now so as you can see guys, the outlet has been created. Okay, so this is the one way. Okay, and okay, so if you want to close this window right now, so you can close from here. Okay, now you want to see how many outlets created from this view controller, this whole view controller. Let's say if we have another label. Okay, so let me take one more label here, and let me increase the width of it, and just go on the properties and set the center text, and let's say we are saying good morning. Okay, good morning, and we want to increase the font size. Okay, okay fine. Now what we want to make it as bold, so you can make it as bold from here, and let me increase the width also, height also. Okay, so this is like this, and okay fine. Now guys, I want to create one more outlet for this good morning. Okay, so what I will do, again I will choose our view controller, click on this button, and okay guys, and here you can create one more outlet here. Okay, but this time I'm not gonna create outlet like this whatever we have created. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write the manual code. Okay, so for that I'm clicking on our hello world VC. Okay, and I'm going to create IB outlet. Okay, so outlet, and this will be a weak reference, so I'm going to use weak reference, and I want to name it as greetings label. Okay, and this is gonna type of UI label. Okay, that's all. Now I want to create the connection, I want to connect it with our UI. Okay, so what I will do, once again I will click on this button. Okay, I will choose this, and I will just drop here. Okay, by clicking, dragging. I will drop here. So this outlet gonna connect with this label. Okay, I hope clear to you what I'm trying to say here. Now guys, this is the way how you can create the outlets. Okay, fine. Now go on our hello world VC, and guys, we can change the text. We can get the text of label here. Okay, and we can change the text. Okay, so let's say in the Viewdidload, what we want to change the greeting label. Okay, so let's say greetings label dot text is equivalent, and we want to give the text, so you can give the text here. So let's say I want to give the hello Swift series. Okay, so I want to give the greetings like this. Okay, now let's run our application and see what output is gonna produce. So guys, as you can see, our application is up and running, and it is going to show hello world. And as you can see guys, while designing our next level, we have given the good morning message, but for right now we have changed the label text by our code. Okay guys, and the text is right now for that is hello Swift series. Okay, I hope clear to you what I'm trying to say here. Okay guys, and okay, fine. Now guys, if you want to get the text of a label, okay, so just we have set that text. Now if we want to get the current text of label, then how we can get? Very simple guys. Let's say I want to print within debug, okay, whatever the text is in our greetings label. Okay, so what I will do, I will write greetings label dot text. Fine. So now I will run it and observe the output, what happens. Okay, fine guys. So as you can see, while view did load, and this is statement executed, and once again it is going to print hello world series. Okay guys, and it is a optional kind of value it is going to return. So guys, I have created a separate video for optionals, so if you are not understanding what is optionals, you can go in the Swift series for beginners playlist, and you can watch the optionals video, or maybe I will drop a link for optionals in our video description, so you can go and you can watch that optional video. Okay, so guys, if you want to forcefully unwrap the value, then you can put the exclamation mark. Let's run once again. So guys, as you can see, right now it is not printing optionals and our application is up and running. So if I comment these two lines, see what happens. Okay, fine. So let me comment only this single line. Okay, and then comment the other. So let's see what happens, what the output is going to be produced. So whatever the default text we have set in the storyboard, those gonna show. Okay, so good morning. Okay, I hope clear to you what I'm trying to say. So this is the way how you can create the outlets, and you can create the outlet of any kind of view, any component which are going to be placed here. You can create the outlet and you can manipulate that outlet. I hope clear to you what I'm trying to say. Okay, fine guys. So guys, I think this is enough for the video. Okay, I will see you in the next video with a new topic. So bye bye, take care, have a good day. And guys, if you are like the video, then hit the like button, and if you are having any problem or any issue, then you can comment in the comment section if you want some improvement also. Okay, and guys, share with your friends, and if you didn't subscribe my channel, then kindly subscribe my channel so that you will get all the updates related to videos, and I am gonna upload amazing videos related to Swift soon. Okay, so guys, bye bye, take care, have a nice day.